Instagram blend feature not showing. Here's how to fix. Share Reels with your friend. The first method is simple. Start sending a few Reels to your friend in a private chat. Once Instagram detects that you're sharing content regularly, the blend option usually appears at the top right corner of your chat screen. Update your Instagram app. If the option is still missing, open your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap on it and install the latest version. Because Blend is a new feature, you'll only see it if you're running the most up-to-date version of the app. Fix possible app glitches. First, open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and click on General. Here, tap on iPhone Storage or App Info on Android. Now, scroll down and find the Instagram app and click on it. And tap on the Offload app or Clear Cache on Android. This will remove unnecessary data and refresh the app. After that, click on Reinstall option. After reinstalling, open the Instagram app and check if the blend option appears. If the blend option isn't visible after trying these fixes, it means the feature isn't available in your region yet, so just keep your app updated and wait for the rollout. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.